So I wanted some Mexican food. But this actually came from a black-owned company. You probably tell. It's some fried chicken pieces on there with some Dorito nacho chips. And this is called their fried chicken nachos. And it's like real close around here. But I'm pretty pleased with it. I wasn't for sure at first, but I'm pretty pleased. They gave me jalapeno. They gave me the ghetto bootleg napkins. I got some lettuce in there. They could have put like some fresh pico de gallo or something on there, but hey, it's pretty good. This is what I'm eating for lunch. I'll see y'all later.